This video is based on author's imagination. This video is just for entertainment purpose. It doesn't mean to hurt anyone's feeling. All the characters used in the story are completely fictional. It doesn't relate with Ida's personal life. So don't take it seriously. Now sit back and enjoy the video series. Well, it's our King Jungkook's FF. Remember, all the characters, incidents used in this are completely fictional. So don't take it to your kidneys and heart. And have a good time. The evening sky was soft and orange when you and Jungkook walked home together, shoulder brushing shoulder like it was the most natural thing in the world. You two had been best friends for years, loud, chaotic, inseparable. People teased you, saying you acted more like a couple than friend. Jungkook always never corrected them, while you acted like it did not affect you, even though every little comment made your heart jump. That day, he grabbed the back of your hoodie and pulled you closer because the street was crowded. Jungkook, stay with me. Little mouse, I'm not losing you in this mess. You hide your smile, pretending this touch did not make your entire body feel warm. Later that night, you sat on his rooftop, wrapped in his oversized hoodie as usual. Jungkook lay in his bag beside you, one arm behind his head, another lazily draped over your leg. You always let him do these small things because those small things were everything to you. He looked at you suddenly. Jungkook, what are you staring? Huh? You. Because you're ugly. He flicked your forehead. Jungkook, say it again and throw you off the roof. You laughed, leaning your head on his shoulder. That was the exact moment in everything inside you broke open. The warmth of his hoodie, the familiar smell of him, the way he always treated you like you were his. You realized you weren't just his best friend anymore. You were in love with him, deep, painful, and all-consuming love. You tried to swallow the feeling, but it pushed out of you anyway. You. Jungkook? You forced your voice steady. You. If I told you I like you, would you get scared? He sat up slowly, eyes softening like he was expecting this moment without wanting it. Jungkook, why don't? You just tightened. You. Just answer. Jungkook, I don't see you that way. His words were gentle, but the slides through you like glass. You smiled anyway, because losing him was scarier than getting rejected. You. It's okay, forget what I said anything. He pulled you into a side hug, thinking he was comforting you, not realizing he was breaking you further. Days passed, your love didn't fade. It grew, wild and stubborn. You confessed again when he picked you from class. You. What if I became your girlfriend one day? Jungkook laughs. Keep dreaming, little mouse. You confessed again when he helped you study late at night. You. Cool, I really like you. I think I love you. Jungkook. Why and don't do this to yourself, please. You confessed once more when you were tired of pretending. You. Is there nothing about me you could ever love? He sighed, brushing your hair gently. Jungkook. You are my best friend. I don't want to ruin us. The words were soft, but your heart wasn't. And still, you did not stop loving him. Instead, you grew more attached, waiting for his text, staying close to him in every room, clinging to his arm, glaring at any girl who talked to him. You packed his lunch, you stayed up whenever he felt lonely. You laughed at jokes that weren't funny. People whispered around you. She's too obsessed with Jungkook. She's always around him. She loves him too much. And maybe they were right. Because you were obsessed and Jungkook, he noticed every damn thing. The way your eyes followed him, the way you got jealous when someone touched him, the way you always stayed an inch too close. Sometimes he gently pushed you away. Sometimes he let you cling to him without saying a word. Sometimes he pretended not to understand what you were doing. But he never cut you off. Not yet. Because deep down, he liked the hold you had on him. He liked that you needed him. He liked that you were revolved around him. And you were already drawing in him, baby girl. You just didn't know the real heartbreak was coming next. You were running behind him again. You always did, holding your bag, clenching his sleeve, smiling like he was your whole world. And he knew it. He always knew it. But that day, he didn't even look at you. He walked fast, annoyed, jaw tight. You tried to match his face, breathless. You. Go, wait. Jungkook. Why? So you can cleanse again? Your feet stopped. He didn't. You hurried to catch up, confused. You. I just wanted to walk with you. He scoffed. Jungkook. Yeah, like you always do, like a shadow that refuses to go away. Your heart sank instantly. Still, you tried to smile, hoping he was just irritated. But then another girl waved at him, he smiled back, something he rarely did. Before you even realized, you stepped between them. A habit you didn't even notice anymore. Jungkook froze. His smile vanished. Jungkook, seriously? Are you kidding me? You blinked. Throat tight. You. I didn't mean. Jungkook, you always do this, always acting like you owe me. It's suffocating. Your breath caught in your chest so sharp, it hurt. You. I was just... Jungkook, no, you weren't. You were marking your territory again. People turned to look, your cheeks burned with humiliation. You whispered his name, voice shaking. You, Jungkook, please don't talk like that. Jungkook, why not? It's true. He ran a hand to his hair, frustrated. Jungkook, I have been trying to be patient with you, but you don't get it. You're too much. Too much. The words punched straight into your soul. You swallowed hard. You, I'm sorry, I didn't realize. Jungkook, of course you didn't. You are so obsessed. You don't see anything else. You are everywhere I go, every damn day. Your vision blurred. You, I just care about you. Jungkook laughed. A bitter, cold laugh that stabbed deeper than any insult. Jungkook, care? No, you cling. You follow. You act like a lost puppy. It's embarrassing, Vayan. Something inside you cracked so loudly you almost heard it. You. Embarrassing? Jungkook, yes. You confessed what? 4 times? 5? In front of people sometimes. Do you know how stupid that makes me look? Your hands trembled violently. You, I didn't mean to make you feel... Jungkook, yeah, well, you did. You make everything messy, complicated. I can't even breathe without you appearing from somewhere. You looked at him with glossy eyes, voice barely there. You, I thought we were close.
इन्नू की दसा मेरे लिए क्या तू, मेरे लिए धड़कन मेरे लिए सा तू, इन्नू की दसा मेरे लिए क्या तू, तू, हाय दिल तू जा तू, दर्द दी दवा तू, जद तक मैं जीना मेरे जीण दी वजह तू, दिल तू जा तू, दर्द दी दवा तू, जद तक मैं जीना मेरे जीण दी वजह तू। सागर वर्गियां गहरियां अखियां, सूरज वर्गा निक तेरा, जुल्फ सुनहरी शामा वर्गी, चानण वर्गा मुख तेरा। सागर वर्गियां गहरियां अखियां, सूरज वर्गा निक तेरा, जुल्फ सुनहरी शामा वर्गी, चानण वर्गा मुख तेरा। है पहाड़ा दी ठंडी हवा तू, मैं हारा ही यारा मेरा रा तू, हाय दिल तू जा तू, दर्द दी दवा तू, जद तक मैं जीना सजना जीण दी वजह तू, दिल तू जा तू, दर्द दी दवा तू, जद तक मैं जीना मेरे जीण दी वजह तू, जा तू, दर्द दी दवा तू, जद तक मैं जीना मेरे जीण दी वजह। जल रहा हूँ अब बुझ जाने को दिल करता है, तेरी जुल्फों में उलझ जाने को दिल करता है, दिल करता है तुझे कर लूं मैं करीब इतना, कि तेरी सांसों में अब घुल जाने को दिल करता है। दिल दे विच दे दे थोड़ी जी था तू, ना दे पिछे ला ले मेरा ना तू, हाय दिल तू जा तू, दर्द दी दवा तू, जद तक मैं जीना मेरे जीण दी वजह तू, दिल तू जा तू, दर्द दी दवा तू, जद तक मैं जीना मेरे जीण दी वजह तू, दिल तू जा तू, दर्द दी दवा तू, जद तक मैं जीना मेरे जीण दी वजह तू।
दिल खिले और जीने को क्या चाहिए, तू मिले दिल खिले और जीने को क्या चाहिए, ना हो तो उदास तेरे पास पास मैं रहूंगी जिंदगी भर, ना हो तू उदास तेरे पास पास मैं रहूंगी जिंदगी भर, सारे संसार का प्यार मैंने तुझे में पाया, तू मिले दिल खिले और जीने को क्या चाहिए, तू मिले दिल खिले और जीने को क्या चाहिए। ना हो तू उदास तेरे पास पास मैं रहूंगा जिंदगी भर। सारे संसार का प्यार मैंने तुझी में पाया, तू मिले दिल खिले और जीने को क्या चाहिए। हाँ तू मिले दिल खिले और जीने को क्या चाहिए।
मैंने चाहा तुझे मेरी खता नहीं, मेरी खता है कि तुझे पता नहीं। मैंने चाहा तुझे मेरी खता नहीं, मेरी खता है कि तुझे पता नहीं। तेरे नाल प्रीता लइया, ओ तेरे नाल प्रीता लइया। जे माही तैनू खबर नहीं, तेरे नाल प्रीता लइया। जे माही तैनू खबर नहीं, ओ किन्ने साल इंतजार में बिताया, ओ किन्ने साल इंतजार में बिताया। वे माही तैनू खबर नहीं, वे माही तैनू खबर नहीं। तेरे नाल प्रीता लइया, वे माही तैनू खबर नहीं। मैंने चाहा तुझे मेरी खता नहीं, मेरी खता है कि तुझे पता नहीं। मैंने चाहा तुझे मेरी खता नहीं, मेरी खता है कि तुझे पता नहीं। कुछ दिन मेरे यार पुराने की हो गया, की हो गया, की हो गया। तेरे नहीं क्यों होश ठिकाने की हो गया, की हो गया, की हो गया। कमले में तेरे किसे दी लोड़ ते फिक्र नहीं, वे माही तैनू खबर नहीं।
दहलीज पे मेरे दिल की जो रखे है तूने कदम, तेरे नाम पे मेरी जिंदगी लिख दी मेरे हमदम। सीखा मैंने जीना जीना कैसे जीना, सीखा मैंने जीना मेरे हमदम। ना सीखा कभी जीना जीना कैसे जीना, ना सीखा जीना तेरे बिना हमदम। दहलीज पे मेरे दिल की जो रखे है तूने कदम, तेरे नाम पे मेरी जिंदगी लिख दी मेरे हमदम। सीखा मैंने जीना जीना कैसे जीना, सीखा मैंने जीना मेरे हमदम। ना सीखा कभी जीना जीना कैसे जीना, ना सीखा जीना तेरे बिना हमदम। सच्ची सी है ये तारीफें दिल से जो मैंने करी है, जो तू मिला तो सजी है दुनिया मेरी हमदम। ओ आसमां मेरा तेरे बिना कैसी तेरी खुद गर्जी, ना धूप चले ना छाँव। कैसी तेरी खुद गर्जी, किसी ठोर टिके ना पाँव। बंध लिया अपना पैगंबर, कर लिया तू सात समंदर, फिर भी सूखा मन के अंदर क्यों रह गया। रे कबीरा मान जा, रे फकीरा मान जा, आजा तुझको पुकारे तेरी परछाइयाँ। चन्ना मेरे आ मेरे आ, चन्ना मेरे आ मेरे आ, चन्ना मेरे आ मेरे आ बेलिया। ओ पिया मेरे आ मेरे आ, चन्ना मेरे आ मेरे आ, चन्ना मेरे आ मेरे आ बेलिया। ओ पिया महफिल में तेरी हम न रहे जो, गम तो नहीं है, गम तो नहीं है। किससे हमारे नजदीकियों के, गम तो नहीं है, गम तो नहीं है। कितनी दफा सुबह को मेरी तेरे आंगन में बैठे मैंने शाम किया। चन्ना मेरे आ मेरे आ, चन्ना मेरे आ मेरे आ, चन्ना मेरे आ मेरे आ बेलिया। ओ पिया मेरे आ मेरे आ, चन्ना मेरे आ मेरे आ, चन्ना मेरे आ मेरे आ बेलिया। तेरे से अपना मोड़ के
नाम और पता रस्मों को रख के परे, 4 कदम बस 4 कदम चल दो ना साथ मेरे, बिन कुछ कहे बिन कुछ सुने हाथों में हाथ लिए, 4 कदम बस 4 कदम चलो ना साथ मेरे।